Good morning, students. So still three problems are remaining in this chapter, that is arithmetic progression. Yesterday we have completed the 17th one. Today we shall continue from the 18th one. Say a spiral is made up of successive semicircles. See, the spiral diagram as shown in the figure in this way that has made with centers alternately at A and B, starting with center at A of radii 0.5, 1.0, 1.5, 2 centimeter as shown in this figure. What we have to find is what is the total length of spiral made up of 13 consecutive semicircles. 13 consecutive semicircles. So let us solve this one. See, circumference of a circle. Circumference of a circle equals to 2 pi r. Circumference of a circle is 2 pi r. So circumference of semicircle. Runs of semicircle 1 by 2 into 2 pi r. So 2 that is equals to pi r. Circumference of semicircle is pi r. So let us begin let us calculate the circumference of L1, L2, L3 and L4. So circumference of first semicircle that is equals to 0.5 into pi, or instead you have to use this formula and substitute the values like this. Circumference of semicircle is pi r, that is pi into r is 0.5, so that is equals to 0.5 pi. Similarly, second semicircle. Second semicircle pi r, that is pi into 1.0, that is equals to 1 pi. And third semicircle pi r, that is pi into 1.5, that is equals to 1.5 pi. See the pattern of AP. The pattern of AP 0.5 pi plus 1 pi plus 1.5 pi plus 2 pi plus up to 13. Up to 13 semicircles. Okay, now let us find the exact format of this APs. Let us take common as pi. 0.5 plus 1 plus 1.5 plus dash 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 plus there are 13 semicircles. That means 13 5s are 65. That is 6.5 will be its value. So what we have to do? Pi. For this one, let us consider this total as S. Pi into S. So this one is equation 1. Okay. Considering the value of S, here A equals to 0.5, B equals to A2 minus A1, that is 1 minus 0.5, which means 0.5. Then we know that is 30. Then S and is 6.5. 6.5. Then we can apply Sn equals to n by 2 in the bracket A plus L. Last term is given. N by 2. N is 13. A equals to 0.5 plus L 6.5. So 13 by 2 into 6.5 into 5, that is 7. So 2 ones are 2 3.5s are, that is equals to 13 into 3.5. So S13 equals to 13 5s are 65, carry 4, carry 6, 13 3s are 39, 39 plus 6, yes, 13 is 45.5. See, we have calculated Sn equals to, that is S13 equals to 45.5. We need to find this from first S13 pi into S, that is 22 by 7 into 45.5. That is equals to 143 centimeters. That is equals to 143 centimeter. This one is the length of the semicircle of 13 consecutive semicircles. From 1, S13 equals to 5S. 5S, that is 22 by 7 into 45.5, that is equals to 143 centimeters. See the solution once again. Nineteenth one. 200 logs are stacked in the following manner. See in what manner they have stacked the logs of wood. 20 logs in the bottom row, 19 next row, 18 in the row next, and so on. So logs of wood. See 1, 2, 3. Suppose this is logs of wood. Then some logs of wood are set on the above like this. So at the top row, how many logs of wood may be placed? We have to find solution. The pattern of stacking logs. Logs of wood. That is in the first row, bottom row, that is 20 logs. second that is 18, sorry 19 plus 18, that is 200. So A equals to 20, B equals to A2 minus A1. Sn equals to 200. N we have to find. So Sn equals to n by 2 in the big bracket 2a plus n minus 1 into d. See, the pattern of stacking wood is in the AP format. So we have to use the principles of that Sn equals to n by 2 2a plus n minus 1 into d. See, n we do not know. Sn is 200. 2a means 20 plus n minus 1 into d, that is minus 1. So 200 sorry 200 the n by 2, 22 is 40 plus into minus, that is minus n, minus into minus, plus 1. So 200 equals to n by 2, 40 plus 1, 41 minus n. So 200 into 2, 200 into 2 equals to n in the bracket 41 minus n. So 400 equals to 41n minus n into n square. So 400 minus 41n plus n square equals to 0. We made an arrangement of the standard form. So let us write orderly. N square minus 41n plus 400 equals to 0. So 400 we have to split. 400 equals to 25 into 16. That is minus 25 minus 16. N square minus 25n minus 16n plus 400 equals to 0. N in the bracket n minus 25 minus 16 in the bracket n minus 25 equals to 0. So n minus 25 n minus 16 equals to 0. N minus 25 equals to 0 or n minus 16 equals to 0. N equals to 25 or n equals to 16. See, both the answer we got positive. We have to check which one is correct. So, see the solution once again. Next, what we have to do? By using the AN formula, AN equals to A plus n minus 1 into D. We have to check the which one is exact answer. Let us check n equals to 25. The common difference is minus 1. minus 4. In the upper row, minus 4 logs are there. What does it mean? It means that this is meaningless one. So next an equals to a plus n minus 1 into d. Let us consider 16. That is 5. So, in the 16th row, there are 5 logs of wood. In the 16th row, there are 5 logs of wood. See, which is the correct answer? 16. How many rows of logs of wood are there? There are 16 rows of logs of wood. At the upper level, how many logs of wood are there? At the 16th row, there are 5 logs of wood. There are 5 logs of wood. See the solution once again. See the last one. AP last problem, arithmetic progression, last problem this one. In a potato race, a bucket is placed. The pattern of placing bucket I have shown in the rough diagram. Each bucket has placed 5 meter. First distance is 5 meter, 3 meter, 3 meter, 3 meter as square, which is 5 meter from the first potato, and other potatoes are placed 3 meter apart in the straight line. There are 10 potatoes in the line. What is the total distance covered by the competitor? See, here is the bucket. Here is the bucket. The potatoes are placed here. Potatoes are placed here. There are 10 potatoes. That means n equals to 10. See, to drop a potato in this bucket, he has to run twice. He has to run twice. From this place he has to run this much 5 meter, and he has to collect the potato and he has to drop it. The competitor has to drop in the bucket. So, how much distance he has to cover? He has to cover 10 meter in the first case. In the second case, see, 5 plus 3, there is 8. Then twice he has to run. 5 plus 3, 8 2 is 16. So, let us write the pattern of dropping a potato in the bucket. So, distance twice he has to run. The distance is 5, that is 10. Then to drop second potato, two into 5 plus 3 he has to cover, that is 8. Then the third, to drop third potato, two into 11, because 5 plus 3 8, 8 plus 3 11, that is 22. So pattern of AP is (10 plus 16 plus 22) like this. So A equals to 10, B equals to A2 minus A1, n equals to 10. Let us find S10. Sn equals to 10 by 2 in the big bracket a plus n minus 1 into d. 10 by 2, 2 into a, that is 10, plus n minus 1, 10 minus 1 into d, 6. 2 ones are 2 5s are. So Sn equals to 5 in the big bracket, 2 10s are 20, plus 10 minus 1 9 into 6. So 5 in the big bracket, 20 plus 54. So 5 into, that is 50 plus 20, 70, that is 74. It is 70 meters. Sn equals to 370 meters. So how many? Yes, 10. The competitor has to cover the total distance of 370 meters. Has to cover 370 meters. See the solution once again. Today we have completed the chapter arithmetic progression. This chapter is very important. This will continue in the higher classes, as geometric progression and harmonic progressions are the continuation content of this chapter. So you will have to learn with curiosity such chapters, because those chapters are useful in future studies also. From tomorrow I will begin the algebra section, that is quadratic equation. Today I have given only 2 homeworks related to that arithmetic progression. So you have to solve these 2 questions. If you are unable to solve these questions, just inform me through the WhatsApp number and I will send the solution for these questions. So be active with me, and also you complete the whatever I have solved in this online classes. You have to complete, and you must have to show when the school reopens. Tomorrow I will begin the quadratic equations in the, that is algebra section. Then day after tomorrow I will give assignment on the arithmetic progression. You must have to complete those assignments related to that annual based questions. Okay, thank you. All the best to complete this chapter in the fair, and be in touch with me.